What do you do on the first day of a 2-year service design program? We don't start with theory, we start with practice. At the Master Service Design of the HSLU, we run a 1-day workshop where learners choose an existing service and build a prototype, improve it, all within the first day. Here is how 3 of the learners felt after it.
Getting out of my comfort zone. This, I think, was the most part of today's journey because I wasn't used at all to do it. So I really loved it and I learned a lot of different things even about myself. So yeah, it was just amazing.
And what was one thing that you learned about yourself in this first service design workshop?
Oh, something horrific. Well, I'm very perfectionist, and today with the lecture, we just had to find 8 ideas randomly, and I was so stressed. I was like, maybe I will not get it done on time, and I discovered that it was just perfect like that. So I will stop being perfectionist.
I'm happy that we did a lot, like the full mini cycle of design. So from the ideation to the prototyping in only 1 day, and I didn't think that we could have done that.
And what was the kind of more challenging parts today that you felt, oh, I don't think I can do that, but you master it?
Yeah, I don't have any design background, but I made prototype, not only 1, but 2. Turned out that I like prototyping because that shows us what works and what doesn't work.
I think one thing that really resonated with me today is just going back to the whole design mindset of, okay, you need to get this done. How are you going to get it done? Let's plan it. Let's go through the whole process. That was very nice. And it was very nice to go just through a whole process in just a limited time. Just 1 day, I think, is not really always that doable to improve a whole service, but it was apparently doable today, so it was nice.
What is one thing that you take out for the future of your work here within the Masters?
I think just approach people. I think this is something that I always struggled with. If I wanted to approach people that I didn't really know, I think today was like, okay, just go for it. People you don't know, they're probably not going to see you again. Talk to them.
A big thank you to Rola, Mason, and Juliana for sharing with the community a few impressions of what happened in that first day of the program. But there is so much more to share. The learners created 24 prototypes, and from their 1 day of service design practice, they extracted 27 learnings for their future career. To discover all of this, including the slides of the workshop, even the workshop timing, check out our latest blog article, where we share it all as an open source project under the Creative Commons license. We hope that by making parts of that program open, this will motivate others to remix parts of that workshop for their own service design education initiatives.